Okay guys, following on from yesterday, I did a coffee with Scruff. And it was basically about planning out for the year and where I want to go. Now, this year, I'm going to go on holiday in November. So, kind of worked out what I roughly need to do to get there. But in the comments, which was very well received actually, if we have a quick look. This is the video itself. I was quite pleased with it because it's got 70 likes on it, all that sort of thing. But as I come down, there's a little one here for UKE boy. Okay, this is his wife was listening to it, and she's had a notion for it to take her on holiday to Turkey next year. Okay, so I reply to every single one of them, and I'll break it down into an easy target and do something for you. And this is what it is. Now, it hasn't said what date they want to go, so I'll have to kind of work that one out myself. But we'll kind of just say, I don't know, May or June next year for him and his missus. Okay? But this is roughly how you get to a point, and I'll break it down to a trade and the account size that you need. Okay? So it's not as difficult as you think. Because most people think, oh, just show me the money. Give me the money. All I want is the money. You don't want the money, guys. You want what the money can buy. And the only way you can sort of quantify this is put that into a goal. So in this case, it's a holiday to Turkey. Now, let's just have a quick look at this. So first of all, I suppose we need to find a holiday. Now, I'm going to look at it the way I would look at it. I like to use British Airways. I like to fly British Airways. So what we're going to do is see how far we can go into this. Well, that's a bugger because it only goes that far. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to go on to TUI. Bugger. We're not going far enough, boys. We fell at the first hurdle. But not to worry, not to worry. Scruff has a plan, as he does. So if we go TUI, click it over onto here, accept. We'll just say any London, just for argument's sake. And we're going to be looking at Turkey. So country is Turkey. Done. Departure date, well, let's have a look. So we'll say May 27th, and we'll just say Monday the 10th, give or take 7 days. How's that? All right. 2 adults, off we go. Right. So let's have a little look and see what we can find amongst this slot. Okay. You must be able to find a holiday here. You know, well, first of all, let's go low high and have a little look, see what we've got. So rating, well, you want it half decent, don't you? And if you're going to Turkey, you really want 5-star. So what is the cheapest we've got? Well, there you go. Okay, so Antalya, it's a nice area. Okay, 1,800 quid. So what else have we got? So Dol, Antalya, Ishmael. What else have we got? Actually, I've been there. Side, it's nice. Nice place. What else? So they seem to be all Dalaman. Right, bang in the middle. 5 stars. All inclusive. Happy days. Oh, there's a cracker. That one there. The baby. The Rulox. Actually, I've stayed in that. That's a really nice hotel. I've stayed there. So what's that? 2,278. Okay. Now, you can add on a little bit of extras if you wish. But we're going to work on a sum of 2,300. That sounds reasonable. Okay, so when's it going? All right, let's have a little look at that. Wednesday the 5th. Right, so what we do now? Well, from here, we need to know how many working days is between now and the 5th of May. So we want the 5th of May 27. And when are we going to start this? Well, it's Sunday today, so we'll start this tomorrow. All right. We're going to exclude weekends and public holidays because you need a bit of time off, etc. And we're going to see how long that is. Okay. So you've got 340 days of working. All right. Remember that. It's actually 486 calendar days, but it'll be 340 working days. Okay. So that's the number we need to be thinking of at this moment in time. So we're going to pull this across and we're going to put our goal in to 300. Well, we're going to be doing it in 1 year, obviously. So you're doing it there. Is it? Well, no, it's not actually. It's about 1 and a bit. All right. So we'll just say 1.5. So that's what you've got to do per year. All right. How many months is that? Does it tell me how many months it is? It doesn't. But I can kind of work this out. So it'll be 52 weeks in a year. Plus say 26, so it's like a year and a half in it. So I don't know, it'll be 78 months, give or take. Is that right? No, it's not. Fucking stupid ass. 78 weeks. It'll be months will be about 18. All right. So now it's not looking that bad at all, is it? 30 quid a week. 127 a month. They're just rough figures. But as we said, remember the number, 340. This is where it gets a little bit better. 340 working days. So it's actually only 676 per day. Good figure. How many times can you trade in a working day? Well, we're going to say you can trade twice. 2 times. 2 times. Which is 338. Okay? Per trade. All right? And in each trade, how many pips can you feasibly do? 5 pips, 10 pips, 20, 40? Well, I'm going to say a round figure of 10 per trade. There you go, guys. 34p per pip. And what you'll get, do 10 pips. That will give you your trade. And all you have to do is that twice. So there's your figures. Okay. So start at 1,500 a year. And you want a year and a half. So that'll give you year 2, 3, which equates to about 127 a month, 30 a week, 676 a day, and then 2 trades at 338 each, which works out at 34p per pip times 10 twice. So your account size needs to be about 340 quid. Now, if you've got 500 quid and you're looking to be disciplined and you work right through, that is not out of the ordinary. In fact, it's probably very well doable. Now, the question here is, can you do it? Now, that's based on a perfect world. But you've also got to take into account you can trade 7 days a week. And that's based on 5 missing out bank holidays and everything. So it can give you a little bit of a buffer. Now, you yourself might think, well, I can't really do 340 days. You know, that's like perfect scenario. But what that's illustrated is, if you've got a goal and it's kind of a decent way away, You don't have to do a lot every day. You know, here we are, you know, £7 a day and off sort of like a 500 quid account. That is not unrealistic if you do it logically. Now, you've now got to figure out which markets can do it. Now, if you're trading gold, Bitcoin, DAX, something like US 100, they move very quick and they'll give you it quick. But what you got to remember with those is they are very dangerous markets on small accounts because you've got nowhere to go. You've got to be right all the time. So if you go further down the trough and you look at, say, USJPY, Euro dollar, cable, the FTSE, that's not out of the realms of possibility. And it's pennies. Now, even if you're working around a day job, this isn't difficult to do because you can set up a 10 pip trade before you go to work and you just put a pending order in based on an analysis that you've done prior, and then you do another one when you come back home, and then you pick two markets, one that's very good during the day, one that's good during the night, and that's quite easy to do. Euro dollar is ideal from 6:30 in the morning through to 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So you can easily check that out. And then from 12 through till 7:30 at night, you can use USJPY. And you'll be able to find your trades. But that just illustrates very quickly how breaking something down to its smallest denominator can make life easy, as long as you got one thing: the goal in the first place. Because if you just come along and say, give me money, I need money to go on holiday, that doesn't mean anything. I mean, if you don't know how much the holiday costs, how do you know how much you need to earn, where you need to be? So it's not the money you want, what money can buy. And in this case, 2,300, 5-star in May, going to Turkey in a nice hotel. And I know it's nice because I've stayed in it a few years ago, but I've stayed in that one. Happy days. Simple as that, guys. Cherish your thoughts. If you're stuck, I'm very easy found. Drop on my website. You see all my official contact details. I say that because there's a number of copycats. There is a new WhatsApp channel, which is mine, the Scruffy Trader. You'll get a link for that in this description. And that'll give you updates throughout the day of what I'm doing. And you see my strength meters and everything each day as well. Okay? So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love. And the money will follow. See you all in the next one. Okay, guys, a quick interlude, because I'm asked on pretty much every video a couple of questions. Who do I use and what platform do I use to build small accounts? Well, it's very simple. I come to BlackBull because you can trade with any amount of money that you choose. You've got over 26,000 products. So if you're Forex, indices, shares, commodities, you're going to find it. And they've got excellent world-leading leverage, which you can use to open up an asset and get your positions in. And also the spreads are fantastic. These are the companies that I use to build up. From here, I take it over into the Fivers. I have never had a problem getting paid off these, as you can see. And one of the beauties of the Fivers at the moment is they're introducing new programs and platforms all the time. They've now recently come back over into the US. So you guys can now take advantage of the prop. And you've got C Trader. And you've got the 3 programs here to choose from, which are very cost effective. Now, to give you an example, there's an account there, 157. You might be thinking, wow, what's that got to do with anything? Well, it is BlackBull, but let's see where it came from. Well, if I take this right to the very top, you'll see it started with £15, and then there's all of the trades running through. Don't get it right all the time, but running through £142 worth of profit, giving me 157. Well, if that's the case, I can now go and buy a prop fund and then feed those funds back into the live to push it forward. Now, if you're interested in any of these, come along and visit my website. You will see everything that I do, and there's extra discounts and exclusive links for both the companies. And both companies, use the following platforms, which is TradingView, CTrader and MetaTrader. My personal choice is MetaTrader, but it's all there for you, so you're on the same page, whichever.
I'd buy that for $1.
Good luck. Catch you soon. Let's get back to the video.